suspension of operation, SOO it is called, signed between the central government, the Manipur government and the Cookies organization and UPF, United People's Front. There are many groups there, Kuki and Metis, you know that? In Manipur they are fighting Cookies and Metis. And Cookies and Naga people also had been fighting since the 90s. So because of that, there has been road blockades also by Cookies. So this it is expected that the road blockade will be lifted today, and the truce will probably survive. And the government promise of 6,000 rupees per month of all the militants who had surrendered will be resumed. Okay, this is the news from the northeast. Another news from the northeast is that rare earth materials. You know that? What is rare earth materials? Anybody knows? Rare earth materials. What are these? There are rare metals, minerals found underneath the ground which are of very high value because of its use in many modern defense equipment and many modern scientific researches like development of laser, laser development of conductors, development of different electro-optics equipment, different magnetic equipment, the very costly equipment, very highly scientific equipment. These equipments require very costly rare earth materials. There are total 17 these costly materials which have been identified. Just a lithium hota. You know that lithium? Yes. Okay. So there are 17 costly earth materials which are of very high value. So far only China and other countries, they had the monopoly of these rare earth material, and we had to import these materials at a very high cost. Now we have found, Geological Survey of India has found these rare earth materials lying in abundance in northeast states. So maybe in future we will have lot of rare earth materials. This is second news. Third news is in the sports. Yuki, you know Yuki? Who is Yuki? Lawn tennis player from India. He, along with Venus, in the US doubles, he has reached the semi-finals yesterday. Okay? US doubles semi-finals. One of the Indians has reached. This is third news. And I want to ask you one more thing. I had just explained what is a googly ball in cricket. So the question may come, what type of bowler bowls a googly ball? Raise your hand if anybody knows. Only one type of bowler can bowl a googly. What is? Okay. Right hand leg spinner.
Right hand arm spinner.
Right hand arm spinner. Right hand off spinner. Right hand off spinner. No, right hand off spinner. No. This question, right arm leg spinner can only deliver a googly. So remember this. Okay? Because right arm, he does leg spin. By this action, the ball takes off spin. That is a googly. Okay? Thank you. That's for today.